What's going on, everybody? It's Shane here again, and today's going to be a cool episode. We're going to be training back in just a few moments, but I thought to open the video, we do something a little bit different. There's a few packages I've gotten over the last week or so, and we're going to kind of do a bit of an unboxing before we prep the pre-workout and head to the gym to train back. Let's get the packages here. So we're going to start over here with this package. I think I have an idea what it could be, but we'll know in just a few moments. Get a load of that.
Wow.
Show it. Show the whole bag. Okay. So, one thing that I'm lucky enough to do as a physical therapist is that I have the opportunity to work with Team Canada Gymnastics. And we have a trip coming up to Portugal that I'm leaving for next week. So they sent over some gear because they're just trying to outfit the staff and athletes with, you know, shirts, pants, and things of that nature. So inside this cool Under Armour bag, we also got some clothing. They sent over a couple polos, a pair of pants, and something else, but let's see what we got. So we've got some black polos with the GymCan logo. This is going to be in a size medium. Oh god. Alright, that's cool. So we got black, we got a red one. Obviously you get to represent Canada, so that's kind of nice. Track pants. This I hope is in a size small. Yes, thank God. I have little manlet legs, so that should do the job. There's like zippers on the side here, which is nice to have. Just to help with keeping them snug or loose, whichever you want. Oh, look at this. Got 3/4 zip. With Canada on the back. So cool. It's a very, very cool feeling when you're out at an international competition and you get to wear colors that represent your country and you get to represent Canada. Yeah, the polos don't have Canada written on the back, but that's all good. Amazing. Well, thank you, GymCan, for the amazing clothing and bag. Can't wait to rep soon enough when we're in Portugal. Alright, so these two boxes, let's figure out what's inside them. Let's do it this way. So, ordered these from StockX a couple weeks ago.
Okay.
For just under retail at the time. But there we have it. The Jordan 4 white cements, which are a sneaker that when I first got into sneakers, maybe in like 2016-17, I always loved the look of these as I learned more about them. I thought that they're super like wearable when you go out, if you go to the gym somewhere, but I missed out on the drop and have been waiting ever since for them to drop. So now that they came out, had to get them, and they are beauties. Maybe I'll wear them later today. I don't know. Cool. So let's put that back. And here's the top. Very cool. Don't want to ruin the ribbons, so I'm just gonna kind of move that aside. This is the Air Jordan 3, South Korea's. As you can see there, there's a South Korea flag. And it's got the colors of the flag here. This was originally released, I think, sometime in '88 maybe for the Olympics in Seoul. But then they re-released it, I think just in South Korea like a few years ago, and this is a bigger release that they just had. But these are also going for, I think, just about retail, and they really caught my eye. So I got them. Don't know what occasion I'm going to wear these on, but I'm sure it'll be for something special. Here's the other one. This one has a Air Jordan logo. Super cool. Very, very nice. So that's it for the unboxing. We're going to prep the pre-workouts and head on over to the gym. I'll see you guys there for the first exercise of back day. Let's get to it. So I think here what I'm going to do is put up the workout, if you want to screenshot that. And might not actually offer much of a voiceover as I do these sets. Kind of give you guys a bit more of a raw footage approach. So enjoy the workout, and I'll talk to you guys right after we're done. So again, if you want to screenshot the workout, it is earlier on in the video. Here's just a little bit of posing for the back, and you'll see a little bit of the front. But things are looking good. Feeling great. About to leave for Portugal. I will be recording a little bit of the prep right before I leave, and then I'll be posting another video next week for you guys. Thanks so much for all the support. Thanks for watching, taking the time out of your day. Do like and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying these videos as we prep towards our competition. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.